Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of obstetrics is preterm labor. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about overview of preterm labor, in which we will discuss the etiology, epidemiology, and then also endocrinology and biochemistry associated with the preterm labor. Then in the second section, we will talk about the onset of labor, in which mainly we will talk about the maintenance of uterine quiescence, what are the factors which are involved in the maintenance of uterine quiescence, and then inflammatory process, and also role of oxytocin and prostaglandins in the onset of labor. Then in the third section, we will talk about the causes of preterm labor, in which mainly we will talk about the weakness of the cervix and different infections that can lead to preterm labor, and also what's the effect of hemorrhage and stress and uterine distension on the preterm labor. Then on the fourth section, we will talk about the management of preterm labor, and the management of preterm labor is by beta sympathetomimetics and magnesium sulfate, and also non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and calcium channel blockers. And then oxytocin receptor antagonist and antibiotics. So all these different drugs and chemicals are used for the management of preterm labor and to avoid preterm labor. And then in the fifth and final section, we will talk about some prediction and prevention of preterm labor, in which past obstetric history is important. That gives the idea if the next pregnancy or the delivery will be preterm, or what are the chances of its being preterm. Then ultrasound measurement of cervical length of the cervix plays an important role in the preterm labor, so we will talk about that also. Then progesterone and cervical cerclage, and the effect of cervical cerclage on the prevention of preterm labor. So all this will be discussed in detail in our today's lecture, Preterm Labor. So keep watching sqadia.com to learn more about this topic.